I'm on the last one over here, and then we'll be ready to put the edging around the basket. Okay, just take a quick look because sometimes I have a tendency to miss one on certain things. So, okay, there's our rustic basket there. All right, so just smooth the top out here around the edges. If there's any buttercream sticking up. And then we will do just kind of a rope border here. So we'll start with an S, stick it, tip in here, squeeze, come down, up, and around. Let me make sure I like it. Okay, so we do this. This is kind of a tight rope. And then go this way. Because at this point, you know, if you just start and then do it, then you can always go back and do something else if you don't like that. That kind of all looks like one right there. So I think what I'll do is I'll take it off and I'll make them, just spread them apart a little bit more. I'm getting a little tight there again. Okay, let me fill out my bag and then I'll continue. Okay, so we're about done here. Then what I want to do is go back now and with this tool this special tool that everyone has in their kitchen called the skewer. Come back over this way and just try to keep it so that you don't, like the first time I did it, I kind of dragged them into each other. Just kind of try to keep them apart. So just kind of texture the middle section there. And after a while, like when the buttercream builds up like this, just take it off, have a damp towel there next to you that you can take off the extra buttercream. Okay, so I'll do this all the way around and then we'll do the handle.